नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. Okay, my dear kids, stay home, stay safe. Okay. Have you all read that three paras what I have taught on the first day? Have you all read? Have you understood? We missed our Zoom class, isn't it? Because of Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, next Zoom class we will meet. Okay, that first class doubt also you can ask me on that day, and I'll clear it on that day. Okay. Don't want to worry. If any doubt is there, even no problem, you can ask there. Okay, that three para have you read? I think you have read and you have cleared that paras. Okay, next can we continue the fourth para? Okay, my dear kids, take the fourth para. Up of that, please write today's date. What is the date today? 6/10/2020. Right there on the up of that fourth para, and today's day what? Mangalvar. Write that also there. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, take one pencil and keep it with you and listen carefully. I'm going to read. Please listen and read with me. ऐसे थे अरमान की उठते, ऐसे थी अरमान की उठते, नीले नफ की सीमा पाने, नीले नफ की सीमा पाने, लाल किरण सी चोंच खोल, चुगते तारक अनार के दाने. Once more I am reading. ऐसे थे अरमान की उठते, नीले नफ की सीमा पाने, लाल किरण सी चोंच खोल, चुगते तारक अनार के दाने. What we are learning? The birds, they are telling that how difficulty and all they are suffering inside the cage, isn't it? They want to go outside and they want to be free. That they are explaining here. If they are free means what and all they will do. Like that they are explaining here. In this para also they are telling that ऐसे थे अरमान की, अरमान wish, अरमान wish. ऐसे थे अरमान की उठते, नीले नफ की सीमा पाने. नीले नफ, नफ means sky. नीले means blue, naf means sky. Seema, border, border. So ऐसे थे अरमान की उठते, नीले नफ की सीमा पाने. They are telling that our wish is that to fly where they want to fly. Wish, their wish is there to fly. Utte, to fly. Where they have to fly? Neele nafki seema pane. They want to get the border of the blue sky. They want to go at the border of the blue sky. If we are, our wish is to fly and to reach the border of the blue sky. Then what? Lal kiran si chonch kol. Their beak is which color? Red color. Lal kiran. Kiran means ray, sun rays. Sun rays, rays. Lal kiran si chonch kol. Chonch means beak. Lal kiran ki chonch kol. That beak, how it is? It is in red color, like a sun rays. That beak is like a sun rays. They want to open that. When they will fly towards the border of the sky, they want to open their chonch. Chonch means beak. Chugte tarak anar ke dane. Chugte means to peck. To peck. चुगते तारक, तारक means star. Anar means we learned from LKG itself. Anar, say anar, what? Pomegranate, isn't it? So they are telling that the stars will be very small. It is like the seeds of the pomegranate. That pomegranate seed will be very small, na? It is like a pomegranate. So we want to catch it. We want to peck it with our beak. We want to peck it with our beak. When we are going to the border of the sky, their wish is to fly over the sky and to peck that stars. The stars will looks like the grains of seeds of pomegranate, isn't it? So their wish is to go fly and reach the border of the sky, and also they want to peck the stars which looks like the seeds of pomegranate. That only this 4 line. Then next what they are telling, hoti seema hi. Next page, take my dear kids, take next page. होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज से इन पंगों की होड़ा होड़ी, या तो क्षितिज मिलन बन जाता या तंती सांसों की डोरी. होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज से इन पंगों की होड़ा होड़ी, या तो क्षितिज मिलन बन जाता या तंती सांसों की डोरी. What they are telling? होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज से. क्षितिज means आसमान, sky. क्षितिज also sky. होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज से इन पंगों की होड़ा होड़ी. होड़ा होड़ी means competition. When we will fly towards the sky, that sky having any border? No, isn't it? सीमाहीन, without any border. That आसमान के ऊपर तक means क्षितिज से we will go, and when we are going towards the sky, our wings will like they will together, they will go and they will do some competition. Who will reach first? Who will reach, like that, isn't it? So they are telling that and all will give us very happy. You are keeping us in the cage and we are not getting this happiness and all. Like that birds are telling. होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज से. When we are going towards the sky which is not having border, our wings will do competition. Our wings and all will do competition to reach there. या तो क्षितिज मिलन बन जाता. Sometimes we will meet that border, we will meet that sky. Or या तंती सांसों की डोरी, या we will sacrifice our life. We will sacrifice our अपना प्राण त्याग करेंगे. We will die. Like that, and then even we don't want to be there in the cage. For us it is for us this and all only giving happiness. We will do competition when we are going towards the sky to reach the border. But when we are going towards the border, if we are getting the whether we will reach or not, then even we don't want to be there in the cage. We will die also, no problem. They are telling tanti सांसों की डोरी. सांसों की डोरी means will die. Our breath will stop, will die. Our breath will stop. Like that they are telling. When we fly towards the sky, we don't have any sadness. We will be very happy. We will our wings and all will do competition. Who will reach, like that we will do. If we are not reaching itself, no problem. We will die also. We don't have any problem. Like that they are telling. Then नीड न दो चाहे टहनी का, आश्रय छिन्न फिन्न कर डालो, लेकिन पंख दिए हैं तो आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो. Then what they are telling, नीड न दो चाहे टहनी का, आश्रय छिन्न भिन्न कर डालो, लेकिन पंख दिए हैं तो आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो. नीड न दो, if you are not giving any nest, need nest, tahini, branch, आश्रय shelter, छिन्न भिन्न destroy. They are telling that need na do, if you are not allowing us to keep the nest, chahe tahni ka, when if you are not allowing us to keep the nest on the branches, then even no problem. If you are not allowing, need na do chahe tahni ka, if you are not giving us to keep the nest on the branches also, no problem. आश्रय छिन्न भिन्न कर डालो, you destroy our shelter, then even no problem for us. If you are not giving place to for us to keep the nest also, no problem. If you are destroying our shelter also, no problem. What they are feeling so proud that what, लेकिन पंख दिए हैं तो, we have what, we have wings, so we don't want to worry about anything. If you are not allowing us to keep any nest anywhere means also no problem. We have what, पंख means wings, we are having wings. आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो, but you don't keep any what, विघ्न न डालो, anything you don't, any obstacles, you don't keep any obstacles in between our flying. Don't keep us in the cage, allow us to fly. Like that that birds are telling, need na do chahe tahni ka, if you are not allowing us to keep us nest in the branches also, no problem. आश्रय छिन्न भिन्न कर डालो, if you are keeping, if you are not destroying our shelter also, no problem. लेकिन पंख दिए हैं, we are having what, wings, we are having wings. आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो, when we are flying, don't keep any obstacles in between. Please don't keep any obstacles. विघ्न means obstacles. Don't keep any obstacles when we are flying. Then what they are going to tell, they don't want to be there in the cage, they want to be free. That only the moral of this lesson. Birds want to, pakshi आज़ाद रहना चाहता है, pakshi, that birds want to be free. That is the moral of this lesson. That much only, my dear kids. Any doubt is there means please ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. We have missed that first portion also. You listen once more and ask me whatever doubt is there. Please ask, okay, my dear kids. Don't want to hesitate. If you forgot that means, please put the video twice or thrice and see the video, and please listen carefully. And if you have any doubt, listen. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. I will be there with you. Please, I will clear whatever doubt you are asking means, even no problem, I will clear it. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, धन्यवाद बच्चों.